welcome back to Measure and Mix. My name is Jessica, and if you're new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by. I am participating in the Closet Clean Out Challenge for summer, and this is hosted by Heidi Somble and also Jessica from Casa Magnolia. If you have not checked their channels out, I will leave a link down below so you can go take a look at them. I will also leave a link to the playlist once it's available for this challenge down below so you can go and check out everyone else's videos. But let's go ahead and get started and see what closet I am cleaning out. Here is the closet I am choosing to clean out for this challenge. It is a small little linen closet in my master bedroom. We have a bigger linen closet in the hallway, so this is just extra storage. And I just kind of piled all blankets and extra stuff that I didn't know what to do with. I have some yoga blocks and some things for my upcoming vacation in here, and pillows and all kinds of stuff that just needs to be taken out and reorganized. So that is what I'm going to do. I'm going to take everything out and then kind of assess what I have and go from there. So let's get started. The closet is all cleaned out now. Ideally, I would love to go in and paint the walls of the closet because they are scuffed, but I just don't have enough time to do that right now. So I figure once this is all organized, then later on it'll be easier to take everything out and paint it anyways. So everything is just laying here on the floor that I took out of the closet. I'm just gonna go through it all and see what I wanna keep, throw away, donate, or put in a different part of my house. So I have here this basket. It's metal, and I just thought it was really cute. I got that from Target. I thought that would be perfect to maybe store some stuff in, or maybe use it as a hamper inside of this closet. I'm not sure. It's kind of small, so I would definitely have to do laundry a lot more, which might be motivational. I'm not sure. But then I also got these white baskets from Target. I thought these would be really cute and decorative. And then I got this ribbon from Target as well. And I thought what I was going to do with them is fold the blankets, kind of roll them up, and then tie the ribbon around the blankets just to make it a little bit more decorative. So we'll see how that goes. And then the last thing I purchased for this was this full-length mirror from Target, and I thought that I could just put it on the inside of this door here and take those white shelves off because they're not doing me any good. So, and I really needed a full-length mirror. So that is my plan. So I'm gonna go ahead and get started on folding and organizing. So now what I'm doing is I'm just gonna take this vase and I'm gonna add some of my ribbon around the top of it just to match. And then inside I'm gonna put these Bolero soaps just to add a little decorative touch inside the closet. I do use these soaps. They are nice and they smell so good. So I'll have to replenish them from the Dollar Tree every now and again, so hopefully they'll have more. But I think it'll just add a little decorative touch inside the closet. I hope you guys enjoyed this closet clean out. I know it feels so much better to be so organized now. Thank you so much to Jessica and Heidi for hosting this challenge. Don't forget to check out their links below and also the playlist for this challenge. Also, I just wanted to let you guys know I will not be posting anything next week because I will be on vacation and I won't be back till the week of July 9th. So make sure you follow me on Instagram, which I have linked down below also. And I will be doing a 1,000 subscriber giveaway when I come back, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and the bell so you don't miss out on any new videos. And I will see you guys next time. Take care. Bye-bye.